Welcome. English Easy Learning. Write a letter, word or sentence. Apple. An antelope saw an apple. The apple was on an apple tree. The antelope jumped to the apple. Both of them were very angry. Ant. An ant crawled out to see what the fight was all about. But when the ant saw the apple, the ant also wanted a nibble. Aeroplane. An aeroplane flies in the sky, up near clouds very high. Let's fly in an airplane. The ant also wanted a nibble. Apple. This is an apple. The color of this apple is red. Apples are an important fruit for health. Ant. The ant is a very small insect. This is ant or have black. Golarku. Please repeat this lesson. Thanks. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks.